Okay, today I'm going to be going over how to install RangePoint or CenterPoint RTX subscriptions into your 392 receiver using the Toolbox Plus app on your phone. So before we can start, we need to get the receiver serial number. So that serial number is what you're going to send to us so that we can order the subscription for you. So to start, we will go onto our display and we'll press the back button. Then we're going to go into Toolbox, and then we're going to tab over to the GPS tab. Once we're here, we're going to press the arrow down button, and that's where we'll find our serial number for the 392 receiver. So note that down and save that so you can send it to us. Once you have sent us your receiver serial number, we will process the subscription for you. So once we have the subscription processed, we will typically email you a .license file. So this is what it'll look like. First step, we need to save this .license file to our phone. To do that, I'll click the little three dots beside the file, and I'll go Save to Device. Next, scroll down and click Save to Files, and then click Save up on the top right. Now it is saved to your phone, and we can open up the Toolbox Plus. Before we enter the Toolbox Plus app, you'll want to make sure that the machine is powered on so that the 392 receiver has power. Once that is complete, then when I open the app, I'll see a list of available receivers. So right now I see the 392, and that is actually the receiver serial number right there. So I'll click on that one. And now once we're connected to the receiver, we'll have to click on Licenses. And now from there, we'll have to click on the Add button up on the top right. So I'll click Add. Now I want to select Install a File. Now we're going to select that file that we saved to our phone from our email, and it will say Installing License. Now to confirm that the license is actually in the receiver, we will see CenterPoint RTX Fast. That is the one that I ordered. If you ordered RangePoint, it'll say RangePoint RTX. And we can see the day that it started and the day that it expires. So in this case, it's just a 10-day demo, so that is all correct. So next step from here is we need to do a power cycle on the 392. So we'll shut the machine down, let everything power down, and then we'll fire it back up. Now once we have done a key cycle on the machine and the monitor has powered back up, I will go back, we'll go into Toolbox, and then go to the GPS tab. So now once we're in here, we should actually have the option to change it from WAS to either CenterPoint or RangePoint. In this case, like I said, we ordered a CenterPoint RTX subscription, so I'll pick CenterPoint. And in this case, it was a RTX satellite fast, so I'll pick that. One other thing I like to check with either RangePoint or CenterPoint is to make sure that the satellite frequency and baud rate is set correctly. So from here, my RTX setup options is set to preset. We'll go Edit, and I just want to make sure that my frequency is 1555.8080 and the baud rate is 2400. If you can't select that, just change your setup options to custom, then Edit, Accept, and now I can physically put in those numbers to be correct. So once those are correct, I can actually verify that I have DGPS by clicking up on the DGPS logo here, and it tells me I am on CenterPoint RTX and I have age, so our correction is good.